Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Litecoin, one of the coins that hasn't moved yet, not much at least. Okay, so this is the yellow trend reversal area, the support area between $54, 56 and 69, where it ideally turned around. We can at this stage not rule out a drop down to $49, which is acceptable as well. So somewhere in this overall yellow box, yeah, overall between $49 and $69, the larger degree wave 2 ideally finishes. Yeah, so let me just increase the wave degree here of this one. Oh, okay, no, I'll do that later. So the idea was that we had a wave 1 that finished here in July. That's the bullish interpretation of this chart. A wave 2 to the downside in a very sloppy ABC correction, in which the C wave obviously is a 5-wave move. Ideally, one more low would happen. If not, then this is a WXY structure, which we can never rule out in crypto. And therefore, also because of the general situation in the crypto market, we are starting to track a diagonal here. Already made you aware last few times, because this triangle pattern got broken. Okay, when the price broke above this high, that was the signal, okay, we don't have a triangle here, it must be something else. It could still be a wave 4 correction in a WXY structure, a little bit like XRP. They pretty much move together at the moment, if you haven't noticed. So XRP and Litecoin basically move together quite a bit, at least in the short term. And we have this kind of sideways consolidation. Yeah, higher highs, higher lows at the moment, but not really anything really significant or convincing. Nevertheless, we cannot rule out another lower in the support area until we have 5 waves up. And so I did start to track this diagonal. We have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a 4, and a 5. This is a bit questionable. We cannot really trust it. The problem I have is that I've seen some exchanges where actually Litecoin made a new low here. That was on the 11th of September. So maybe I have to count it as a truncation, and then this would shift the beginning of the diagonal over. We would actually have this. So we'll say this was a wave 1, this was wave 2, this was wave 3, now we have the wave 4, and then we have the wave 5 still to go. So but it doesn't really make a great difference. It just means proportions are a bit different. So long story short, because of that, I count the third wave as potentially complete, as an ABC structure, and we could now be in the fourth wave. Similar to what Matic is doing, similar to what BNB is doing, and with potentially a 5th wave still to come. The thing is, the third wave is really just below the minimum of what I would like to see for a third. Well, actually, it did exactly the minimum, the $72 level, the 1-to-1 ratio. Ideally, the third wave in a diagonal reaches the area around the 1.236 and 1.38 extensions, but it's okay, you know. That's also because of this, okay, where do I start the diagonal? Is it down here, or maybe is it here? So that is unfortunately because of the Wild West situation that we still have in the crypto market. Also with regards to many exchanges, it's a bit tricky, okay? Sometimes to say where exactly do I start the count. But in this case, and that's the good news, it doesn't really change a lot. So we consider a diagonal here. The support level that needs to hold in a wave 4 to keep it a somewhat reliable wave 4, we need to hold $64. That's the 78.6 retracement level, sorry, the 61.8 retracement level of the third wave. Let me add all the support levels that we need here for a wave 4. There you go. So it could be that we're already in the wave 4, maybe it's already complete, but it's not very evident if it is complete at this stage. In a diagonal, I would like to have a little bit more of a healthy wave 4. It would be good to maybe get one more lower low actually, but holding above $64. So lower low compared to the previous ones here, but hold the $64 level. Then we have a nice A, B, C structure in wave 4 before we then see the price move up in wave 5 to $76 plus, possibly more likely $78, maybe even 81 or 82. So yeah, that's the situation on the Litecoin chart. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.